Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Silky Dreams. I hope you all are doing well. Now it's been a very long time that I haven't posted any video on YouTube, but recently I changed my skincare and it changed my skin. As you guys can see, it is much more glowing. I don't have any fine lines, no pores, nothing. I'm not wearing any sort of makeup as right now, so I just wanted to show you my clear skin. I have an obsession when it comes to skincare, whether for your body or for your face. So I look out for products which have really good ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, retinol, which are gonna benefit your skin uh, through multiple ways. I've been trying and testing out these products from the past 2 months, and the brand that I've been using is Pilgrim. So I absolutely love their range from Jeju Island, and I absolutely recommend these products to all of you guys. You guys can see my skin is glowing, and if you want a glowing skin like this, just go ahead and try out these products. These are amazing. आप try करें, they are really affordable, budget friendly. This is their lava foaming face wash. I have their under eye cream and I have their night cream also. Now if we talk about the brand, it's an Indian brand with really good ingredients, and their products are not at all animal tested. They do not contain any sort of mineral oil or SLS and parabens, and they are 100% vegan, so you don't need to worry about anything before trying out these products. Now I'm super excited to try out all these three products in front of you. So this is their volcanic lava ash foaming face wash, which is suitable for all skin types. It helps to clean out the pores and helps to reduce the breakouts also. It is suitable for all skin types and gives you a very cooling sensation. So firstly, you need to wet your face, which I already did. Now I'm going to be using this cleanser. I'm going to pump out 2 pumps of this foaming face wash. I think this is more than enough for my face. So I'm going to be using it right away. You just need to massage it in the circular motions. And do not forget to clean your neck also. It gives you a very cooling sensation, and I can actually feel this product is working into my skin, because जैसे ठंडा ठंडा feel हो रहा है, तो it looks मतलब it's amazing यार. So I'm coming back within few seconds, and I'm back. You guys can see my skin looks so fresh right now. इसके अलावा आप लोगों को क्या दिखाऊं, इट्स अ लाइव एग्जांपल. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस फेस वॉश and I will recommend all of you guys. This is super affordable and the range is amazing. My skin is so cooled down and I could actually feel that cooling sensation on my skin, which is super amazing. The first time I used this face wash, I felt so refreshing because it gives you a very soothing and cooling sensation on your face, and after that you can actually see the refreshness on your skin, and your skin looks way too glowy and plumper. These are really important. If you are in the age around 24 to 28, you should start including under eye creams in your skincare routine. Now if you talk about my under eye area, I don't have that much dark circles, but when it comes to crow's feet, you can see the fine lines around my eye area, and that has been reduced by the use of this cream, because it has retinol, which really works as an anti-aging ingredient. It has vitamin C that really works for pigmentation, and then it also has hyaluronic acid that actually moisturizes my skin really well. So all these three ingredients works wonderfully when combined together to retain the moisture and obviously to retain the youthfulness of the skin. You guys can see this is in the tub form. You guys can see this is a thick cream. So obviously आपकी under eye area जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा delicate होता है, and you need something which is thicker and penetrable also at the same time. So it penetrates into your skin on massaging. I'm gonna be taking a very little bit of this product and I'm gonna show you how this blends. So I use it twice a day, in the daytime also and in the night time also. Don't forget to use it in the night time, because उस टाइम में आपकी स्किन जो है उस बहुत अच्छे से आपके स्किन जो है प्रोडक्ट्स उसमें पेनिट्रेट होते हैं, एंड works really well. All the products, they work really well at night time. Next up we have this night cream. Now night cream contains active ingredients which actually work wonders on your skin, because you have to use it at night time. So do not forget to use sunscreen in the daytime. It has retinol that actually protects my skin from aging. Apart from that, it has vitamin C, vitamin C is something which is suitable to all skin types mostly, and it plumps your skin, reduces the pigmentation, gives glow to your face, and obviously boosts the collagen. And then it has hyaluronic acid, which provides hydration to your skin and plumpness to your skin. So this night cream is a mixture of powerful ingredients, and it is super affordable. I'm gonna open it up in front of you, or it is kind of a jelly like consistency. जो eye cream थी, that was quite thicker cream, and it is kind of a jelly like consistency which gets easily absorbed into your skin. सो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, जब भी आप नाइट क्रीम्स यूज़ करते हैं, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन व्हेन यू गो आउट इन द डे टाइम, बिकॉज इट विल ऑब्वियसली प्रोटेक्ट योर स्किन. नाइट क्रीम्स में आपके एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं विच वर्क्स फॉर योर स्किन, तो उसे मेंटेन करने के लिए आपको सनस्क्रीन यूज़ करना डे टाइम में ज़रूरी है. Can you guys see it gets completely absorbed into my skin, and as you guys can see, it has absorbed into my skin really well. So this was my final call on these products, and I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और वीडियो लाइक करें. एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में आप प्लीज़ कमेंट्स करें कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी, या मुझे आने वाले टाइम में कैसी वीडियोस लानी है, तो डेफिनेटली मैं वो भी ट्राई करूँगी आप लोगों के लिए. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस. टिल देन, बाय.